Most people lose money on boats. What if yours actually paid you every month? This isn't a gimmick or a loophole, but it does require thinking about boat ownership differently. Most people buy a boat as a luxury. They use it occasionally and keep spending money on it. But what if it became an asset instead? Something that works for you. Now let's be clear. This isn't passive income. It's about structuring ownership the right way. With a real business model, there are three main paths. The first is what most people default to. You put your boat into a charter program. They handle bookings, marketing, and rentals. You earn income and pay a management fee. It works, but comes with variability and more wear. The second is more structured. With SailTime, your boat goes into a membership program. Members pay monthly. Usage is consistent. Everything is managed. So instead of unpredictable bookings, you get a more stable system. The third is where things get interesting. Some owners create something unique. I worked with someone who turned his boat into a James Bond-style experience. Now people weren't booking a boat. They were booking something they couldn't get anywhere else. And he stayed consistently booked. So now you have three paths. Charter, higher upside, more variability. SailTime, more predictable, easier ownership. Custom experience, more involvement, more upside potential. There's no right answer, just what fits your goals. Now here's what people don't tell you. This isn't passive. There's maintenance, insurance, cleaning. Boats require attention. And it's not just your boat anymore. It's part of a business. That means it won't always be available. It needs to stay in top condition. And decisions are based on performance. But for the right person, this is where it becomes powerful. I've seen people offset ownership costs, build lifestyle income, and create something truly unique. Most people buy a boat first, then try to figure it out later. That's backwards. Start with the business model, then choose the right boat. That's the difference between owning a boat and building something with it. If you're considering this, don't start with the boat. Start with the model. That's where everything changes.